When it comes to achieving a flawless finish on your floors, preparation is everything. The process doesn't start with the final coat of varnish or paint, but with a series of careful, efficient steps that lay the foundation for a beautiful, long-lasting result. Whether you're working with hardwood, concrete, or tile, tackling floors before finishing involves a combination of cleaning, repairing, leveling, and priming. Mastering these techniques not only ensures the finish adheres properly, but also enhances the durability and appeal of your floors for years to come. Begin by removing all furniture, rugs, and debris from the area. This step might seem basic, but a clutter-free workspace is essential for efficiency and safety. Next, thoroughly sweep and vacuum the floor to eliminate dust, dirt, and any loose particles. For certain surfaces, such as hardwood or tile, a damp mop can help capture finer dust, but be sure the floor is completely dry before moving on. Moisture trapped beneath a finish can cause warping, bubbling, or peeling over time. Inspect the entire floor carefully for any signs of damage. On wood floors, look for scratches, dents, or water stains. For concrete, identify cracks, chips, or uneven patches. Tiles may have chipped edges or missing grout. Addressing these imperfections early prevents them from becoming bigger issues after finishing. For hardwood, use a wood filler matched to your floor's color to fill in small holes or scratches. Once the filler dries, sand the patched areas smooth. For concrete, apply a patching compound to fill cracks or holes, then level the area with a trowel. Damaged tiles can be replaced, and missing grout should be reapplied and allowed to cure. Leveling the surface is a crucial step, especially with wood and concrete floors. Uneven floors not only affect the look, but can also cause premature wear to the finish. For wood floors, sanding is the most effective way to achieve a flat, smooth surface. Use a drum or orbital sander, starting with a coarse grit sandpaper to remove old finish and even out high spots. Gradually move to finer grits for a silky, smooth finish. Always sand in the direction of the wood grain to avoid scratches. For concrete floors, a self-leveling compound can be applied to low areas, ensuring the entire surface is even. Once the floor is smooth and level, it's time to deep clean again. Sanding and patching generate fine dust, which must be completely removed. Use a vacuum with a HEPA filter and follow up with a microfiber cloth or mop. For wood floors, avoid excess moisture. For concrete, a damp mop can be used, but allow the surface to dry thoroughly. Next, consider the need for a primer or sealer. For hardwood, a wood conditioner or sealer can help the finish adhere more evenly and prevent blotching. For concrete, a primer seals the porous surface and prevents the finish from being absorbed unevenly. Tile floors may require a deglosser or bonding primer if you plan to paint or apply a new finish. Take care to mask off baseboards, walls, and any adjacent surfaces you want to protect. Use painter's tape and drop cloths for this purpose. This step saves time during cleanup and ensures crisp, clean edges for your finished floor. Finally, before applying the finish, do a careful walkthrough. Check for missed spots, dust, or debris. Use a tack cloth to pick up any lingering particles. The floor should feel smooth, clean, and cool to the touch. By following these efficient techniques, clearing, cleaning, repairing, leveling, deep cleaning, priming, and masking, you set the stage for a professional quality finish. Proper preparation not only enhances the appearance of your floors, but also extends the life and performance of your chosen finish, ensuring your space looks its best for years to come. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Until next time.